I'm Brian Nash from How We Got Here Genealogy. WikiTree, you asked a question, and I'll answer it. This week's question of the week is, what's your most embarrassing genealogical mistake? I don't know if I would call it a mistake, but it's something that I find kind of embarrassing. I was doing some research on my second great-grandfather, Patrick Nash, and I was reading through a city directory from the city of Halifax from the 1800s, and it listed him as a cordial manufacturer. Well, for about 8 months to a year, I thought it was kind of amusing that they listed that he was friendly and polite. Boy, all I had to do was look back to the directory before, and I would have seen an advertisement from his brother and got the real story. Now that was embarrassing.
Things change for the well, my friend. Things change for the well, my friend. But farewells, they're not forever.